everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid Blue and a beautiful intense blue exterior, 1.6 liter hybrid. This vehicle is a front wheel drive, clean CARFAX, one owner, just over 55,000 miles. So let's take a moment to walk around the vehicle. Starting up front here, you can see these are capped wheels. They have kind of a Tesla look to them. Okay, front styling from Hyundai, you have your staggered prism grille here, so nice aggressive front grille here. High intensity headlights. They don't give you fog lights in this model. Again, it is the blue drive, so this is a hybrid. You will have passive door entry right here, so let's go ahead and take a look up inside. The interior is nice and clean, simple, black on black here. You do have some gray elements, some brushed aluminum. Some chrome trim. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice high gloss black surrounding that infotainment center. Bucket seats in the middle with a little center console there as well. Taking a look into the rear, you have plenty of space for rear passengers here. Pretty simple setup. You do have a net for cargo or extra items for your rear passengers to store. In the back, you will notice this is a hatchback style here. So there's a button right under the Hyundai logo. A lot of space back here in the cargo space here, guys. Looks like a 80-20 split. Goes down pretty deep here. What do we get underneath? Okay, we get a tire inflator. Hyundai usually does not give spare tires. Taking a look into the driver area, at your fingertips, you will have windows, doors, mirrors, etc., all powered right here. Okay, you do have manual seat adjustment, but looking in here, you do have a brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster, lane keep assist, traction control off, and then your fuel lid release there, and there's a 12-volt battery reset. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. This one is equipped with lock, unlock, trunk button, and your panic. Okay. On startup there, you will be met by some nice graphics from Hyundai. You're going to get about 47 to 50 miles per gallon here. And like I said, just over 55,000 miles, almost 56,000 miles. On the steering wheel, you will notice you do have some mounted controls as far as audio, cruise control, and then some options to page through your center console right there. Coming over to our infotainment center, like I said, surrounded by a nice high gloss black, beautiful touchscreen display. Some settings there for your hybrid. You can download apps through Blue Link there. Okay, nice backup camera here, guys. That's it. There's your radio button, media, so you can be hands-free via Bluetooth. Hit the home button right there. Download all kinds of apps. You do have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Okay, nice illuminated LED here, all touchscreen on the climate control down below. Nice storage with a USB and 2 12 volts. Okay, nice comfortable shifter here. And if I shift down to drive, take it to the left, you can shift up or down in sport mode depending on your driving situations. Followed up by 2 cup holders, nice deep center console. This car smells new, looks new inside. Okay, we'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections here in just a bit, but now let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find the 1.6 liter 4-cylinder hybrid motor here. Okay, nice and clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that, guys. Okay, our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. Come on, this is a hybrid. This vehicle is on, so it is silent right now until you get up to about 5 miles an hour. Then the motor will kick on, otherwise it's in battery. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around and show you any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you're gonna have some normal chips from road wear on the bottom bumper here. Not perfect, okay, but you really have to get up on it to see. On the passenger side fender here, a couple blemishes. On the mirror cap, you can see some scratches here. So this car is going to come with some imperfections, but we like to be transparent. We want you to know what you're walking into. Another paint chip here on the passenger door. Here's a scratch. I believe these are going to be repaired. These little dimples right here, they're going to be repaired by our PDR professional before they ever hit the lot. There is a scratch here by the cargo loading area, by the hatchback, or the lift gate, whatever you'd like to call it. Another small blemish here on the driver's side. I do see another dimple here, which will be repaired. But something you gotta see, guys, super nice blue color. They call it intense blue on this 2020 Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid, okay? Just over 55,000 miles. So give us a call here at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to All Things Automotive, shop them online 24/7. Get yourself pre-approved. Yes, we take trade-ins, okay? But make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this car does qualify. So come on out, 21518 Great Cove Road in Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.